Now let's build a superfood smoothie. This is my favorite way to get a ton of superfoods into one meal, and it's really easy and really convenient, especially for an on-the-go meal. So what you want to do is you want to start with about anywhere between 8 to 12 ounces of an unsweetened plant-based milk. And here I'm using an unsweetened coconut milk. Then we're adding our greens. So think back to your superfood pyramid. You want to add some greens. I particularly like lacinato kale, otherwise known as dinosaur kale, but you can also use spinach or a greens powder if you like. So I'm going to put in here a nice handful of lacinato kale. Then remember, we can add veggies to our smoothie. So for me, I like to add a few florets of cauliflower. Frozen cauliflower is already cooked, goes really nicely in a smoothie, thickens it up super nice. Another thing I'm going to add for thickener is a little sliver of avocado. Going to throw that in there. Now we're up to our fruit. Berries work beautifully in a smoothie. I'm using wild frozen blueberries, so I'm going to add just a little. Remember, we want to do twice as many veggies as fruits, so we're doing just a little bit of the vegetable. Plant-based protein powder, there's lots of them out there. I'm using a very plain plant-based protein powder here for a little bit of extra protein. Then we want our omega-3 fats. You can choose chia seeds, you could choose flax seeds, but what I'm going to do is add a little bit of hemp seeds, very neutral in flavor, just a nice little spoonful in the smoothie. And then we top it off with functional foods. Another area where you could add lots of different types of functional foods, such as maca powder or even cacao powder. I'm choosing to add a couple slices of fresh ginger because I love the flavor. And then what we do is put the cap on and then shake it up, put it on your blender, and then hit go, and that's the final product, a beautiful antioxidant rich superfood smoothie.